What's up, guys? Welcome to the shop. It's time for the next installment of my 22 Tundra build. Today I gotta get this CBI front bumper installed, so let's get to work. Everything that needs to be removed from the truck is removed, so now I can start putting new parts on. First up is the winch tray. Winch tray is in and tight. Next up are the frame adapter plates. While the bumper is off the truck, I'm going to get everything done for the fog lights. Light bezels, light mounts, and the fog lights themselves. I got a set of Baja Designs Squadron SAE fog lights, so legal for the highway. Should be pretty sweet. All right, let's see if lifting this bumper into place is a one-man job or if I'm gonna need some help. I got all the bolts on the front bumper tight, so now it's time to deal with the grille. I got to get everything modified and cut down to size so it fits with the new bumper. This tape line that I put on here is where CBI recommends you cut it in their install video. I left some extra meat on the bone there because I would like to get a tighter fit than they did. Now I'm going to take a bunch of time off of camera, slowly whittling it down and test fitting it until I can get it in place and get a really nice even scribe line, and hopefully I end up with a tighter fit. That is where I landed after my nice scribe compared to where they told me to cut. There's a lot of extra work to get it tighter, but I think it's worth it. Now I just got to get the air flapper installed back on the back side of the grill, and it's ready to go back in. This plate mounts under the winch tray and fills the gap between the bumper and my skid plate.